Butterfly's puppies are 7 weeks old now. So this is when we begin the stairs lessons for the puppies. It takes about 2 weeks of training. It's not a lot of training, but it takes a little time for them to build up enough muscles. Here we go. Ready for more exercise? Okay, here we go. Here we go. See how you do that, remember?
Hi, Paco. Puppy.
Lulu, Paco. Bye, Paco.
Hi. Hey. Hey, Paco. Come on.
Okay, Paco, go get her. Go get her, she's up there. She's up there, go get her. Go get her. There she is. Good boy. I believe he's got it. Okay, Connor. Sterling. Okay, guys. Stair climbing exercise. Go get him. You gonna go get her? You notice Connor has a leaf in his mouth? He got that from outside. It's his favorite one, evidently. He doesn't want to let go. Good job. Wasn't quite under control, though. But you made it. You made it. Good job. Miss Cherry.
Miss Cherry.
No voice to distract you, right?
Hi.
Okay.
Hello.
Go get him.
Come on. Come on.
Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Okay, brave girl, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's a girl. That's a good girl.